Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing all-time favorite garlic bread. This bread is incredibly super soft and extremely flavorful. My kids will stay on this bread whole day. I am showing you how to make yummy garlic bread by using stove top and the oven. Let's look at the ingredients. I am taking bread slice 4 numbers, bun 2 numbers, butter 150 gram or 1/4 cup, finely chopped coriander leaves half teaspoon. This is optional. Dry basil leaves 1/8 teaspoon, dry oregano leaves 1/8 teaspoon, fresh garlic clove 1 small, garlic powder half teaspoon, salt 1/8 teaspoon. At first, dry roast basil and oregano leaves for 30 seconds. Cook everything in lowest flame. I am taking small steel bowl with 1 teaspoon butter. Add fresh crushed garlic. Fry a minute at low flame. Now add finely chopped coriander leaves. Fry again. Remember, lowest flame helps to retain as its buttery flavor and remove raw flavor from the garlic and coriander leaves. Now turn off the flame. Take roasted dry leaves, rub with your fingers. Add it as a powder form. Add garlic powder. Add salt. Now add remaining butter. Mix it properly. If the butter is too watery, then refrigerate for 10 minutes. We need butter in semi-solid consistency. Now take a bread bun, cut into every 1.5 inch with the help of knife. Don't cut at the down. Each piece has to cut 3/4 of the bun. Now for each bread slice, cut at middle, make it 4 parts. Now in a cooker, place small stand and plate on top. Cover the lid. Keep it on the medium flame for a preheat. Don't put whistle on top. I am also preheating the oven at 180 degrees. For a bread bun, middle of each pieces, apply garlic butter with the help of spoon. Now for bread pieces, apply garlic butter on top of one piece and place plain piece on top, just like a sandwich. Now all are ready to go for baking. I am taking Diamond brand heavy duty aluminum foil. Place the bread bun on the foil, cover all around, seal both the edges. Now place the bread pieces on the foil, one after the other pieces. Cover all around with the foil. Seal the edges. Don't keep any gaps, as the heat may roast or harden the bun or the bread pieces. My cooker is perfectly hot, keeping 2 aluminum wraps inside. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Now I am keeping 2 aluminum wraps inside the oven. Here also cooking 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's have a look. How does the garlic bread has comes out? Wow, it is incredibly soft. It is too hot, can't able to hold by hand. Now let's have a look at the bread pieces. See, have a look, perfectly cooked with soft texture. This is oven baked for 10 minutes. Cooked little darker in color, but super soft too. Bread is too hot. Have a closer look. It is mouth-watering. Even after getting cold, this bread never be chewy and it will be fresh and soft. Prepare fresh garlic bread at home. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.